I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use digital well-being on iOS 18. So all you need to do is just go to your settings right here, and after you're here, just search for screen time. So it's right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Make sure that you have turned on see all app and website activity, which is right here. So now you can see all the apps that you have spent time on, and you can see your daily average of your screen time. You can also set up parental controls by setting time limits for apps. If you have kids, you can just tap on add limit right here, and you can choose the apps that you would want to add limit on. You can also choose set up screen time for family. Just go ahead and tap here. So make sure that you have turned on family sharing and tap on continue, and you can set up screen time for your family. So in this way, you can use digital well-being on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.